Guys, are you sitting down? Miley Cyrus just declared that she will never, ever, ever, ever walk a red carpet again. I'm going to give you a moment to process that, and it is very much okay to cry. In a brand new interview with Elle magazine, the singer once again appears to be struggling with the trappings of fame. She said, "Why, when people are starving, am I on a carpet that's red? Because I'm important? Because I'm famous? That's not how I like to roll." Whilst I'm not sure how standing on a red carpet directly links to poverty, I think I understand the point she's trying to make. And you've got to admit, she does some incredible work fighting against homelessness and rallying behind the LGBTQI community through her Happy Hippie Foundation. But for a moment, let's mourn the fact that we will no longer be seeing red carpet looks like this, or this, or this. RIP indeed. Miley, you and your nips will be sorely missed.